Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a review of my Redbubble store Custom Print SG. As of today, I have 1179 designs on my store. If you're here after watching my previous Redbubble update, you would know that these amount of designs is way much from what was updated earlier. So I have been making some progress regarding the number of designs I'm posting on my Redbubble store. And now let's go and see what all developments there has been. Okay, not much promotions I have done for this quarter. I did my blog, Pinterest, and YouTube. Blog and YouTube are the new ones. So previously it used to be Twitter and Instagram. I had not been seeing any kind of success with those two, so I am not going to do them anymore. So I have started a blog, and I have started promoting my Redbubble products on my YouTube channel as well. Just as in the previous quarters, Redbubble has been the main driving force behind the traffic that my store has been getting, although not much, but you can say from what I have been driving to my store, Redbubble has done a way better job. As you can see rightly from the graph, there were no social media traffic in April and in May. Although I was doing Pinterest, there was not any footfall from there as well. As you can see, there were no sale in the month of March and April. And then something happened in May. I don't know what happened, but something did happen, and I was very surprised when I got this email from Redbubble saying that I've made a sale and I have made a commission of over 16.06 euros. And I'm like, wow, what happened? What did I sell? I will tell you that in a moment, but first let's look at my overall sale. I have made so far $47.38 USD in 9 months and with 1,179 designs. And the bulk of that amount came in May. I sold one on 21st May, 27th May, and I made a sale on 27th May again. So on 21st May, I sold a glossy sticker. 27th May, I sold a racerback tank top. And 27th May, I sold a fitted t-shirt. And would you believe if I told you that I sold that glossy sticker for a $14 margin? That is like a huge profit margin I got from a very simple sticker design. That design is so simple that when I look at it, I kind of smile from within. Like, it was just in that whim of a moment that I thought, okay, this will make a good sticker design. And I didn't never thought anybody would buy it, but it was like, wow, it was such a big surprise when I actually sold it for such a huge margin. So I think anything is possible in Redbubble. One moment you will have this dry period for over 2 months, and then suddenly you get a sale, and that is a big surprise. Although I would say that I have not come such a long way that I'm making sales every day, but then it is a passive income, and like uploading designs, making designs of things that I like or things that I find interesting has been like a how would I say, it has been a very fulfilling kind of a process for me. So I don't find that I'm wasting my time on Redbubble. I still find Redbubble to be very full of opportunities. It is just that maybe something is wrong with the way I'm tagging or titling. I need to work on it. And if you guys remember, I told you last time that I had this problem with Google indexing my page, but then I think that problem has sorted itself out. I did not do anything about it, but then I actually focused on titling and tagging, and now I have over 800 I'm not 800 I have over 600 products that are indexed by Google, so that is kind of like a good thing, I guess. And a lot of designs are showing up on the relevant tags page also, so that is kind of a win-win thing for me. So in a nutshell, what have I been doing? I have stopped mindless promoting on Instagram and Twitter. They are the content in them are very short-lived, so if you're not able to catch the trend, I think it's gone, and I'm wasting a lot of time on it, so I don't want to do it anymore. I am still going to do Pinterest because that information or the that platform is evergreen, I would say. When you have a content, it lives there, and people kind of like pin it, and like it is something like YouTube. People can go back to it. It gets reshuffled, and I can reshuffle it as well. So and I started blogging. I started content marketing. So content marketing and blogging, it's something like it is there. And I have my own website now, and I have two blogs. So one blog where I promote my Redbubble and my other platform products, and another blog where I do my content. So I actually promote through articles and stuff. So that is kind of a long term. I'm not hoping for any short term gains with this, but I'm thinking long term over here. Okay, so whatever content I have and whatever content I intend to create, I want them to have an impact. So it is not going to be any short term promotion from now on. It is just going to be like for the long term. So Redbubble has a lot of potential, and I want to make sure that I cash in on that as well. The store that I'm reviewing now is my demo store. I started it as a demo store, and then it was a general store, and it started making money. And then I just want to keep it as a demo store, and but I will still keep growing it. However, I started another three stores, so I have four stores in total in Redbubble, and the other three stores are niche stores. So they are not general, so everything is a particular niche. And I have also launched a website. In my website, I'm not selling print on demand things as such, but I'm promoting it through there. That website is actually selling digital goods. I will leave a link in the description box below if you would like to check it out. And I have invested in this tool called the Merch Informer. It is a very good tool. If you guys have not come across it or used it, I strongly urge you to do it. I have a link for you in the description box as well. So if you would like to check it out, please do so. If you're just dabbling in Redbubble store, I don't think you need a merch informer. However, if you want to grow your Redbubble store, you will certainly need a tool where you can do your research and find information that is worthy. So merch informer is a very good tool. Also, they have this uploader where you can actually upload your designs onto multiple platforms at once. So it is actually time saving, and it is actually pretty good. So if you want to, you can actually get it and try it out. In my last video, I told you that I wanted to hire a designer to actually do my designs because it was getting too time consuming. However, I'm still doing my own designs, and I think I will continue to do so because I think I have started finding meaning in my process of creating the design. So I want it to be my own. So I think I will continue until a point comes where I am totally exhausted and I want someone to help me out. I have also started an Excel worksheet where I actually write down evergreen ideas whenever I'm doing research online or whenever I'm outside. You tend to hear things or see things which are like a good thing to put on your design. So I actually started keeping an Excel file, and that has been quite helpful because I can go back to it and refer to it as and when I like. So, is Redbubble still worth it? I would most definitely say yes, because my store is still not dead, it's still making money. And after making that $14 of profit margin on a sticker, I would definitely say that Redbubble is alive and kicking, although I still need to tweak my title and tagging, and I need to find ways to promote my Redbubble store. And I have taken steps, so I would still say that I'm not quitting Redbubble anytime soon until they throw me out. So I actually want to figure out how to win this system. I want to make passive income with this, and I'm having a time of my life creating designs for Redbubble because I keep finding new ideas. Because last time I used to have this content block, but now it's like free flowing. And after I invested in Merch Informer, it has been an eye opener. The kind of designs that I can make. Most certainly, I'm not copying any designs. I'm coming up with my own, but the kind of inspiration I get from the research I'm doing is mind blowing. So Redbubble is still alive, and Redbubble is still worth investing in. You can invest your time and you can upload your designs. If you keep at it, you will see the fruits of your labor. And please do not rely on Redbubble alone to bring you traffic, although the bulk of my traffic has been coming from Redbubble. But I have started investing my time and energy into other platforms such as YouTube, my own blog, and my own website. These are long term strategies. Redbubble or any print on demand website for that matter is not a get rich quick scheme. They need your time and attention, and you will only be able to start earning passive income after you have put in your work. Unless you put in your work, you're not going to see any kind of results. Even if you're seeing results, it will be short-lived. So make sure you invest in yourself, and make sure that you are in this game for the long time. This is it for the update. I will give you another update in the next quarter. So until then, thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments in the comment section below. I will try my best to answer each and every one of them. If you like this video and would like to keep up to date with the happenings of my Redbubble store or how you can improve your Redbubble store, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.